Hi, Iowa.
Hi.
How was your week?
Pretty good. I mean, we had Thursday off because grades came in, and Friday was a half day.
Yes, it was a half day in school, yes. I can't wait. This whole week is going to be, next week is just going to be free and off for everyone.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
today we might be doing something for my birthday, so I don't know. But
Okay.
I don't know.
So let's just go ahead with our activity today. I'm going to share my screen, but I will tell you what's going on. So the first thing today is the icebreaker, and we're going to have a special one today. We're going to have Thanksgiving circle time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to ask about 4 questions, and 3 of us, I will go and you will go and tell me what you have to say about the question I'm asking. So the first one is, what are your plans for the Thanksgiving break? Anyone can answer.
I guess I can answer.
Yes.
I believe on Thanksgiving we're going over to my grandma's house.
Okay, so I want to remind us of our rules. Take risk and make mistakes. It's okay. Be ready to learn and be respectful. And then I just want to ask, do you remember what we did last week? Like the techniques of cutting or slicing?
Yeah.
Which one do you remember?
I remember the bridge technique, the twist technique where you hold both sides and you just twist it open.
Yeah.
And the one where, oh yeah, the one where you hold the whatever you're cutting with your hand, like your 2 finger, like tips of your fingers, and you use your knuckles as an edge to cut.
Yes, that's the rock chop. It could be very, very basic. Anything that you can put together and someone can eat for a meal. That's what you want to do.
Does it have to be in the fridge or?
It could be outside the fridge, anywhere in the kitchen, anywhere in the house. You grab something that you want to put together as a meal. Let me see what comes out of it. That's what it is.
So I got this right here. It's a leftover pizza. Just pop this thing in the microwave and there you go.
Yay! That's quick. Okay, so Iowa, can I have your camera on?
It's just to get it.
ISIS?
All right, so what spices do we have? There is pop some hot sauce or some. Do we have tapatio?
Yeah. But Ethan, when you're eating, do you need something to drink or something? Is the pizza enough?
I could just add a drink to this.
You could get something to drink and put in the cup and drink.
No, on the other side. No, over here by the fridge.
As much as possible, don't go into cutting anything or slicing.
To the left. Left. Yeah, no.
Oh, this cucumber's not looking great.
Isn't this like the liquid?
Yeah, that's not the tea.
Okay. You want to eat this?
And put all the silverware you want to put close to it. So we can start now. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job with the microwave. How long did it take?